Hola mis amigos and welcome back to mi canal. So today I'm going to be doing this eye look. Maybe I can tell. And then this lip color a little bit cray cray. But hopefully everybody's doing amazing and, you know, wonderful. And hopefully y'all's Easter was amazing and overall, you know, blessed with a lot of blessings. The other thing is, I was going to say something. I just did that and I just saw down here and this, my double chin was like, anyways, so hopefully you all do like this kind of look. Oh yeah, I was gonna tell y'all. So I went ahead and did this eye off camera so y'all could kind of see the way that it's supposed to or it's gonna be looking, and I did this eye with you all on camera, just to make it easier, and then that way you're not here forever and ever when you're just trying to get to the point and trying to see the eye look. So that's the way I like to do these kind of videos. That way you can see how it's gonna look and the way that we're doing it step by step. So this is it. And hopefully you all do like it. If you do at the end of the video, please subscribe. If you already start liking this video, please subscribe. And yeah, guys, so for those who don't know me, my name is Veronica. Welcome to mi canal. Your familia, we're familia. And if you all have any ideas of other stuff that I might be able to do or just recreate, please comment down below and we'll try to figure that out and see if we're able to do it. If not, we'll still at least try. So thank you all so much for watching and just tuning back into my channel. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and did, of course, my eyebrows. Did this eye because I wanted to show y'all how the look is going to be looking like, or the eye look. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild tapered fluffy brush. It's like $1. You can get it like at Walgreens, Dollar Tree, really anywhere. It's $1. But anyways, I'm going to go in with these two right here on the Jaclyn Hill palette. Try to clean it a little bit for y'all because it was really dirty. I didn't clean the inside. But anyways. Okay, so I'm going to go in with those two and I'm going to use that as a transition color. And the only thing I'm doing is going all the way from right here out. And just kind of going in circular motions. And yeah, just all the way around. I didn't want it too yellow. Usually yellows are the colors that I like, kind of for more of the transition colors. But since I'm not going to go in for more of a bronzy gold look, I'm going more for a white look. I didn't want it to be too yellow and then kind of clash. But I still have to have that little bit of base of that yellow tone. Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with these two colors right here. Just because this one's a little bit more, I don't know, they're like different kinds of browns. But anyways, so I'm going to apply that to the outer corner. And I am using my Morphe M514 brush. I don't know if you guys can see it because I'm covering it. And since we're kind of doing that halo look, I will apply it a little bit on the outer end, like this. And then on the inner corner of the eye, or the eyelid, I'm sorry, not the eye, the eyelid. And kind of do the same thing, and I'm just kind of going circular motions. Sorry, I've been stuffy. My allergies are acting up really bad. Okay guys, so we're gonna just do this part right here in circular motions. Doesn't really matter how far it is because we will be, you know, adding the other color right in the middle. And so what I'm doing is I'm getting this You Spicy brush like from Amazon. I am spraying it just with this right here, the Mario Badescu spray. And I'm going to go in with these two colors, this one and this one. And I'm going to apply that just kind of in the middle of the eye. And going all the way like this. So I'm just kind of patting it as I'm laying it. So of course not going to look 100% perfect in the beginning or actually right now. But it does as long as you kind of blend it. So just like that. And then you can go back in with your Morphe brush and just kind of blend it. I don't know what that was. And just go like this. Okay, see? So just kind of right there and across. And just for a little bit more of depth, not a lot, because I'm not trying to go way dark or black. I am going to go with this dark or darker brown. Just a little bit on the brush and apply on the outer part of the eye. Just like dab it, because I'm not trying to go too dark. And the same thing on the inner part. Just like that. See? Let me add a little bit more out here. Trying to look and trying to look. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay guys, now I'm going to go in with my NYX white liner. So the box looks like this. You can tell. Perfect. And I'm just going to do the same thing that I would have done with black liner. And I'm going to go all the way from the inner corner all the way out. Okay, now when I get to this part, I'm gonna try to do it up here. Sorry. Just like that. Ooh, I just got it on my hair. Okay, is that easy? Whew, I know it looks a little bit more wider, but I think it's because the eyelashes are right on front, so it kind of covers a little bit of it. But, so yeah, that's kind of how it looks. I feel like there's a little bit patchy right here. And I got my lash extensions. Oh well, they're coming off anyway, so. Okay, so now that it's kind of a little bit dry, I'm gonna go in with my alil lashes. They're the same ones I usually use every time on my videos, just because they're freaking bomb. And so yeah, let's go ahead and apply those so they look like this. Maybe I can tell right there, and just gonna apply it. Whew. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply all my foundation. And my eye makeup, not my eye makeup, Lord, my face makeup, and then I'll be right back so y'all can see just the final look I'll put together. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my face and my highlight and all of that. I'm going to go back in with these two right here, just a tiny bit, I don't want to go a lot, and just apply it on my lower line. Just kind of smudge it and have it all imperfect and all, it doesn't really matter. Just to kind of have that little bit of that dark on the bottom. And I did apply a little bit of highlight right there in the inner corner of my eyes. And then after that, I was like, what lipstick am I going to wear? So, okay, so I have my hair all to the side, and then I did have a little bit back here like this. I kind of had pinned it, but I let it loose. I probably need to put it back, huh? It looked a little bit better. But anyways, I'm sorry if the video was acting up a little bit. I am recording on my phone, so I was getting calls and calls. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and put on this lipstick. I really was going to go a little bit more neutral. But since I'm already feeling a little wild with my eyes, I just wanted to go out there and wear something that I usually would not wear. I feel like maybe with this eye look, you could go a little bit more just neutral color and it would be perfect. But me, I want to be extra. So, and then I went ahead and put my hair down because I felt like, I mean, with this look, you just gotta feel a little bit like wild, a little bit local up in here, you know? I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it a little bit crazy and just kind of poof it out. I don't know. But yeah, so this is the final look. Hopefully you all did like it. And if you did, please thumbs up, subscribe. And if you didn't, I'm sorry. This is just me, the way that I do the things that I do. So yeah, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. And y'all stay tuned for more videos. So y'all be good. You all take care. Mwah. Besos, mi amigos. Adios. Cuídense.